We're on room 6006, guys. And it is a handicap room. And you put your magic band right here, like that, and it opens a door so I can get my little cart in there. See my little cart? And this is the room, man. It's nice. It's got some hangers right here. I don't know what this door is for.
That's our hangers.
But it's got some hangers. It's got this. Come around here. Look how big this room is, guys. It's massive. It's huge. I mean, we have no, I feel like I'm in a freaking, this is bigger than our apartment, in our hotel we had. And it's cold as hell in here. We are in the front of the ship. I don't know if you can see there's the front of the ship right there. There we go. Let's take a look at the bathroom here. Now, unlike most staterooms, the handicap rooms only have a single bathroom. They're large. And the shower, which is what I like, which is what will kill me, is the showers on the Disney Cruise Lines. But I don't have to worry about the showers here, so I don't die. And believe me, I've almost killed myself in the shower once. I don't want to do it again. So this is a nice sized bathroom. Very nice. You can see here the room. Let's take a look at the, it's got 2 closets here. And you got this one here, and you had your safe in that one. And your safe was right down there. Let's show that. Okay, let's look at our freebies here, man. We got a towel. And we got a Disney Cruise Line. Something or another. Mobility Disability Room. Stateroom 6066. Your sign assembly station is A. So that's where we need to go. A. We got a dry bag. We got some lanyards. And we got a wet bag. And a regular carry bag. So, there you go. Pretty neat. And then, look at my shirt, man. Nice. Nice room, guys. Hope you enjoy it, man. Hope you enjoyed this little room tour. And if you get on the Disney Cruise Line and you have disability issues, so we saw this because we're staying in the room right next door on the last cruise. So, which is also big, but it's not quite this big. So we'll see you later, guys. Peace.